Hey guys, check out Volferda E5 Capsule Tiny House. It has 27 square foot. There are 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. Come here. There's a separate utility room for water and electricity. Sewage is under this. The entrance is secured with a password lock that can also be accessed with a swipe card. Walk through this way. Here is a small room. You can change it into a cozy living room, put in a small sofa, and invite friends for afternoon tea here. Alternatively, you can turn it into a bedroom. Just put a small bed in this space. Here is a bathroom with wet and dry area. It has a wash basin, a toilet and a mirror. This is a shower room. Moving on. This is a big bedroom with 270-degree ceiling windows. 1.8 meters king bed, electric curtain, central air conditioner. Wow, there is a skylight and you can enjoy the stars with your lover. You can also convert this space into a cool balcony. For more info, please contact me.